Salut, this is les bons pronoms from Français 3. Rewrite each sentence using a direct object pronoun. Follow the model. So direct object pronouns again are me, te, le, la, les, nous, vous, and that's all. So modèle, Dominique écoute ce CD. You could replace ce CD with le. And you put the direct object pronoun right in front of the verb. So il l'écoute. Il l'écoute. Check out numéro 1. Benoît regarde ses DVD. What could you replace ses DVD with? Le, la, or les? Gonna go with les. So il, or you could put Benoît again. Il les regarde. Il les regarde. Numéro 2. Ma mère admire cette robe. Cette robe is feminine, so we could replace it with la. Again, the direct objects are me, te, le, la, les, nous, vous, and pick one that's feminine and singular. It's la. Now, elle apostrophe because admire starts with a vowel. So, elle l'admire. She admires it. Or as the French say, it admires. Elle l'admire. Il mange son gâteau. Son gâteau, you can replace it with le. And you put the le right in front of the verb for it eats. Il le mange. Il le mange. Ils achètent ses lunettes. What is he buying? Or what are they buying? Ses lunettes, these glasses. Ses lunettes, you can replace with les. So, il les achète. Je vais faire mes devoirs. I'm going to do my homework. Remember, homework is plural. Mes devoirs, replace it with les. So, je vais les faire. Now, you're thinking, okay, vais is the verb. Well, when you have two verbs, you're putting the direct object in front of what you're actually doing to it. You are doing it, not going it. So, je vais les faire. Je vais les faire. Elle débarrasse la table. She clears the table. Replace la table with la. So, elle la débarrasse. J'aime faire le ménage. I like to do the cleaning. You could replace le ménage with le. J'aime le faire. I like to do it. Again, if there's two verbs, not the passé composé, but two separate verbs, usually put it right in front of the infinitive. So, j'aime le faire. I like to do it. Not I like it to do, but I like to do it. So, j'aime le faire. And wheat, nous achetons cet ordinateur. Cet ordinateur is masculine, so we are buying it. Again, L apostrophe in front of achetons, so nous l'achetons.